How to generate a sitemap in Weebly. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In today's tutorial, you'll learn how we can generate a sitemap in Weebly. To generate a sitemap in Weebly, you do not need to do anything. This is because the Weebly platform automatically generates an XML sitemap for your site, which can be accessed easily. All right. These sitemaps update automatically when you add or delete pages, and it can easily submit the sitemaps URL to search engines like Google Search Console to improve your site's indexing. Okay, and now how do you get this sitemap URL? The first step is to publish your site. So if your site is not published, you won't be able to get your URL. So move to the left side of the screen, click your website, and click edit site. So by selecting edit site, you'll be redirected to your site editor's page where you'll see all of your you see your sites, you'll see all of the things you've done and things that you would like to change and all. So once you're satisfied with the way your site looks like, move to the top right corner of the screen, click publish. All right, wait for the page to load, and just like that, your site has been published. So once the site has been published, the next step to locate your sitemap is to go to a new tab in your browser, then paste this particular URL that you can see on my screen. So once you have this URL, go back to your Weebly account and then copy your Weebly URL. All right, ensure you have the complete URL of the complete web address of your site. So just copy it. All right, so let's copy it. Go back to the new tab, paste, and then click enter. All right, let's edit that. So click enter, and you would see your automatically generated XML sitemap. So this is how to do it. Okay, this is just how to find your Weebly site map. Okay, and there you go. Very simple. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.